Here I am in the middle of our digital enterprise nucleus. We demonstrate how a company decided to add a new cold brew coffee drink to their traditional business. Its development was based on new market requirements and had to have also sustainable packaging.
That's true, Thomas, and welcome. Essentially, it is about taking a product idea through the innovation and production phase into the hands of the consumers as fast and flexibly as possible.
Magnus, if I gave you 3 minutes, could you tell us how to do that?
I would for sure give it a shot, Thomas. To meet those challenges, it's essential to merge the virtual with the physical world, and that is exactly what we do with our digital enterprise. With a comprehensive digital twin approach, we are integrating the product, production lifecycle, and the performance data. And this enables us to make decisions in confidence, fast and flexibly. You just need a plan and good navigation. Digital threads are the map for your digital journey. They connect all digital tasks and processes to tackle particular challenges to revolutionize design, realization, and optimization.
That's perfect. That's all what I need for my navigation. So now we know where to go, and let's go and have a closer look, all right?